Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Most of the learners they do one common mistake during their driving test just because of the panic. So what they normally do during the driving test after the pre-drive check, like here you can see my car on accessory mode. After the pre-drive check, they straight away change the gear to drive and they put the handbrake down and they think car gonna move, but car didn't start. And after that another panic start. They try to start the car while the gear stick on drive like this and car didn't start. So what happened in this situation? You must have to put your gear stick back to the parking, handbrake on, and then you press power switch, the car will start. I hope you learn something from this. Thank you. Bye for now.